Wow, look friends. There are so many colorful toy cars here. Why is that? Wow, they are covered in mud, friends. It turns out the toys are muddy. Okay, friends, let's collect them all. After that, we'll clean all the toys. Wow, look friends, they are so cool. There's a pink one. There's a blue one. Wow, this one is yellow. Awesome orange color too. Nice. There's also a toy gun, friends. Later we'll clean them all. Wow, there's a big toy here. It's an excavator. Okay. Wow, there's pink, green, yellow, and blue. Look at that. Orange and yellow colors. Okay, cool, friends. Here we have a race car. Wow, there's a train too. We've collected all the toys. Come on, friends, let's clean them. Now, friends, here is some clean water. Let's wash all these colorful toys. Let's start with this one, friends. Wow, what vehicle is this? It's a cement mixer truck. Cool, friends. We've cleaned it. Wow, look friends, there's a dump truck. Awesome. Wow, it's green. What is this? Wow, look friends. It's a toy gun. Awesome. Wow, there's an airplane. Nice. Very cool. Wow, look friends. Thomas the train is cool, isn't it, friends? Wow, there's a very large toy. Let's clean it first, friends. Wow, awesome. Wow, look friends, it's a big excavator. Cool. Here's another one, friends, orange in color. Look friends, it's a bus. Very cool. It's red, a fire truck, it turns out. Wow, awesome. There's a small one too, friends. This is a road roller truck. Very cool. Wow, look friends, there's a motocross bike. Wow. Cool, friends. What toy is this, friends? Let's clean it first. Wow, the toy became clean right away. It's a toy steering wheel. Cool. Wow, there's a pink one. What vehicle is this, friends? Wow, we've cleaned it. It's a container truck. Very cool. Okay, friends. Let's clean this one too. What vehicle is this? It's a bus. Yellow color. Wow, cool. Wow, there's a tanker truck. Awesome. Look here, friends, there's a jet airplane. Wow, very cool. Wow, this blue one. It's Teo the little bus, friends. Hooray, I'm happy. Cool, friends. Look, friends. Wow, what car is this? It's a race car. Nice. Very cool. Wow, there's a forklift. Cool. Now, friends, look here, there's a toy gun. Let's clean it first. Wow, the mud disappeared right away, friends. Very cool. Wow, the toy is almost completely clean. Okay, friends, we've cleaned all the toys. This is a toy shotgun. All the toys here have been cleaned. That's enough for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Yeah. Party popper.
Yeah.